Hello everyone. So today we have a special guest on our channel. So Tanya, would you like to introduce yourself?
Yeah, sure. Hi, everyone. My name is Tanya. I'm a final year undergrad majoring in computer science from Thapar Institute, Patiala. So, this year I did my summer internship with JP Morgan Chase, and it was a wonderful learning experience. And I'm really excited to share the details of my recruitment process and how you all could crack a company like JP Morgan.
Yeah. So let's get
That's it.
straight. So let's get straight into it. How was your interview experience? Tell us about the rounds, the problems, everything in details.
All right. So I remember I was in my fourth semester when this opportunity came. By then, I had a decent knowledge of data structures and
Mhm.
algorithms because I started learning DSA in my second semester only. So our first round was the coding round. There were two usual coding questions.
Mhm.
So one was from linked list, the other one was from strings, and we can say that both of them they were lead code easy to medium level questions,
Okay.
and I was able to do both of them. After that, the second round was the higher view interview round.
Mhm.
So this was something new for me as well. So what happened in this round is that you'll be given two behavioral type questions,
Mhm.
and you have to record the answers to that question to those questions.
Mhm.
Let me try to explain a bit more.
Okay.
This round happens on a platform called as Higher View.
Okay.
A question is displayed on your screen, and you
Mhm.
have 30 seconds to read and understand the question.
Okay.
After that, you have 90 seconds to answer that question.
Mhm.
The platform they will automatically start recording your response, and you just have to speak your answer,
Mhm.
and after that they your response they will
So it will be
it will be
recorded.
submitted. Yeah, it will be recorded. I remember one question from this round. So they asked me to describe one mistake which I did while working on a technical project,
Mhm.
and what were my learnings from that
Mhm.
mistakes and how I overcome that mistake. So we can expect these type of questions
Mhm.
from the higher view interview round. So this was the second round. After this round, around 40 students from our college they were
Mhm.
shortlisted for the Code for Good hackathon, which is the third and final round.
Okay.
And this hackathon is a 24-hour hackathon. So what happens in this hackathon is that they will pair you with students from different universities to
Okay.
form a team of six or seven.
Mhm.
And they'll make sure that all the students in a team they are from different colleges, and you'll get to know the names of your teammates 3 4 days prior to the hackathon. So basically you have 3 to 4 days to find your teammates on LinkedIn, to connect with them, to
Yeah. Build
discuss,
rapport.
yeah, yeah, to discuss your tech stack and make a plan and everything else. You have 3 to 4 days for that. So that was the fun part. Now, as I told you, the hackathon was for 24 hours, and we were assigned mentors. Two mentors were there, and they were there to judge us, to evaluate us on the basis of our performance. Mm, and whatever we contributed. So they were there for 24 hours straight. It was a virtual hackathon, and they were evaluating us throughout. So
Yeah.
the mentors they usually are the VPs or associate at JP
Mhm.
Morgan. So they are very
Okay.
experienced people, and it's not like you have to win the hackathon to get an offer. If you perform well and your mentors are satisfied with your contribution, you are eventually going to get an offer.
Mhm.
And one very important thing to note is that it's not just your technical skills which matters. Your interpersonal skills, how you
Mhm.
perform in a team, your leadership skill, your mentors are going to judge you on the
Yeah.
basis of all those skills as well. So as far as I remember, two people from my hackathon team got the offer, and I think that's pretty much it for the recruitment process. It was a long process. I think it went for like 2 to 3 months.
Yeah.
After that, we got the offer.
So before we start with the rest of the video, let me tell you about this amazing platform called Cryo. So Cryo is a website where you can learn new skills and get your dream placement. So they have placement courses, they have a course on full stack development, and they have a course on backend development, and they have the best content that is out there. So they have a course of fellowship program in software development where they teach you software development skills in either backend development or full stack development. So if you are someone who's working in a company and you want to upscale yourself, you want to join a better company, or you want to join a FANG company, a higher paying company, then you can take this course. And they also have a free trial, which is the best thing. So even if you're not sure about the content of this course, you can book your free trial and you can see for yourself the content that they have. And not only they teach you about full stack and backend development, they also teach you data structures and algorithm and interview focused system design content. They also have that. So you can definitely check these courses out. And if you are someone who wants a good placement, who wants to join a good company, then this is something that I would definitely recommend. So go click the link in the description and book your free trial now. So JP Morgan is like a dream company for a lot of people. You know, a lot of people want to crack JP Morgan or company like that. So what advice would you give to people, your fellow friends or students who are working towards a company like that? How can they crack a company like JP Morgan?
Okay, so as I told you, like the first round is the coding round. So
Mhm.
DSA is very important, of course, not only for JP Morgan, but
For any company.
yeah, for all the major tech companies. Usually, their coding round is based on DSA. So first thing DSA. Now, second thing would be development because
Mhm.
it was a hack hackathon was the final round. So for that you need to have basic knowledge of development. What I would suggest is that you should start participating in college level hackathons. It helps a lot. They are easy.
Yeah.
You're working with your friends, so it gives you a lot of exposure. So that would be other thing. And yes, development DSA. Also, I forgot to mention, so during the hackathon your mentors might call you for a one-to-one discussion,
Mhm.
and during that discussion they might ask you about your college projects and your skills and all of that. So it's good to have like a good resume and some like 2 3 good projects for your resume which you can discuss with your mentor during the hackathon. Yes, that's it.
So the main thing, the main unique thing which I found about this is having a hackathon in the recruitment
Uh,
process, right?
yes, yes.
And like what you're saying is the goal is not just to win the hackathon, but to make sure that your mentor can see your performance and how you're performing in a team, right?
Yes, exactly. Even I was not the winner of the hackathon,
Mhm.
but still we got an offer because our mentors they were happy with how we performed. So
So thank you, Tanya, for coming on my channel and sharing your journey with me and my subscribers. I'm hoping it will help a lot of students. So thank you.
thank you for having me, Ashish. Thanks a lot. It was a great experience.